Here's the mango from seed. It's probably 4.5 feet tall now. Looks like it's gonna shoot out another set of leaves, I guess. Maybe. We'll see. Pineapple squash, taking a little time, taking its sweet time. Cucumber in here is getting eaten by something. I don't know what it is. This is the okra getting taken over by an orange flowering vine. Can't remember the name. Black-eyed Susan vine. That's what it is. This is what it is right here. This is the flower. So every once in a while you'll see a flower here. Hopefully soon this whole thing will be covered with those. I need to put some bloom buster on it. This is getting taken over by morning glory, looks like. I separated a whole bunch of this lettuce and looks like maybe only this one survived. Should have just left it alone, I guess. I'll cut that tonight and make a salad, chicken salad. Oh, where did you come from? You snuck in here. I did not. This was a from last year. Interesting. Nice. I really like this little dainty flower. Oh, there's a big cucumber back there in the back. Something's already eaten half of it on the side. You can see the cayenne pepper. Cayenne peppers in there. I gotta go get those. I gotta take that take that cucumber off. What is in here? I don't know what's in there. So check this out. This pumpkin's growing. It's only like 5 feet long, and it's all